Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to monetize TikTok account. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up TikTok application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the TikTok application on your mobile phone, you have to just simply go to the profile section by just tapping on below right corner of your profile. You guys can see I have already opened up the profile. So what you have to do is just simply go to the top right corner of three horizontal lines. So after tapping on these three horizontal lines, here you will be able to see the TikTok studio, which is the first option. Just simply hit this first option. So after hitting this first option, you will be able to see the TikTok monetization page, which is TikTok Studio page. Here, what you have to do is just simply go to the this panel, which is monetization section. So here, what you have to do is just simply hit the see all button. You guys can clearly see that in my area TikTok is restricted. That's why I'm not able to see lots of options here. But from your side, you will be able to see lots of options here. In order to apply a monetization on your account, you have to just simply unlock these options. So here you will be able to see there is only single option is displaying, which is subscription. Because TikTok is restricted in my area, that's why I am not able to monetize my account. But you will be able to see lots of terms and conditions here. What you have to do is just simply fulfill these terms and conditions just like this. Here you will be able to see a lock button is here. So what you have to do is just simply unlock all of these by just doing all of these tasks, which will be displayed to your account. So after completing those tasks, which is in programs for your section, you will be able to monetize your account. And here at the top corner, you will be able to see your points or your coins or revenue generated by TikTok. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.